to. I don't know if this is gonna be the last part or no. When's the boat went out? The chicken gosh. I use mud so that I can have everything. After them taking a taxi to go to this door. So noisy. Okay. Take care here. Please leave your jacket there. Okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot about markers. Anyway, not fun about the weather, right? Yeah. Where is the trolley? Exactly. Cars. It was like somewhere around here, but where is that stupid trolley? Oh, where it's gonna be in here. As if it was. Wow. Where will it be there? Look, there's the. Yep. It's open. Oh, I'm so bad. OMG. Oh, I think it will be here. Yes. Oh, we could pay for it. Oh my gosh. Sorry if this is too short or too wasting my time. Then, yeah. Is there somewhere to put my... They're gonna get it back so that I can pay. Oh yeah, there is. It's right around. should we get? I'm still thinking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's try other stuff. Oh, that's what other stuff. I think it's better if we go up. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. We got. Oh, okay, this escalator is so nice. I want to have an escalator at home. Oh my gosh. Let's talk about the stairs. You check in there, check in here. Oh, let's get something from here. That one. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's just see. Well, so great. Yeah. But let's see. There is something special. That looks nice. Papa Joe, be there at the table. No chips so big, no butts. Shoulders on, so here we go, Papa Joe. Papa Joe. Papa saved the penguin. Okay, bestie, let's go see the toiletries. You go check there. Oh, what? Already here. We're the first. Too bright. Yeah. Let's just talk on that. Wait, there's more food in here. Okay, there. Oh my god, why does something look so weird? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. It's so hot. Let's go. Okay. I'll go first. Okay, sure. Well. Okay. I wanna pay for this stuff. Oh my gosh. I guess I have to do this. Excuse. Oh my gosh. Okay. Pottery.